slimming 8 kilos in 20 days with this delicious breakfast. This breakfast is one of the most healthy and delicious breakfasts that can exist, as it is rich in minerals and vitamins. It also improves the appearance of the skin and hair, strengthens the body and normalizes the metabolism. This breakfast cleans the intestine and removes impurities from the body. This is the perfect breakfast to lose 8 kilos and cleanse the body of toxins. It can completely solve the problem of lazy bowel and constipation, normalize weight and burn excess fat. You can easily lose 8 kilos in a very short time with the consumption of this breakfast. Ingredients: 300 milliliters kefir or low-fat yogurt, 1 teaspoon of flaxseed, 2 tablespoons oatmeal, cocoa, dried plums. Breakfast preparation: 1. Prepare this breakfast in the evening for the following day. Pour some dried plums with a small amount of boiling water, 100 milliliters. Cover and leave for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, put the oat flakes in a bowl, the ground flax seeds and the cocoa. Then pour the kefir and mix well. 2. Chop the plums. You can use a blender to make mashed and add them to the mixture. Mix everything well and leave it in the fridge. Take it out in the morning and enjoy this healthy breakfast. Very soon you will